Hey y'all, welcome to this week's grocery haul. I didn't do one last week because we didn't get a very big haul, but today I spent, I think it was $268. I'll put the price here on the screen of what the total was. So we went to Walmart. I did not do grocery pickup, which I should have, because I always spend way too much when I go in myself, and it was me and the kids. So we got some extra stuff, but we got lots of different snack items, some things for like quicker lunches. And yeah, so I'm gonna turn the camera around and show you everything we got. Okay, I'm gonna start on this side. We have stuff over here. So we're gonna start right down here, and we've got Talkies. I got 2 bags of Talkies because the kids go through those like crazy, so yeah. Then I got some Lunchables. We got 2 of the nachos with cheese and salsa. And we got a ham and cheese, and then we got a turkey, an American. And then I also got this for Courtney because a lot of times when she gets out of school, she's going straight to work. And so this gives her a little more. It's a turkey and cheddar sub sandwich. We got 1 picture frame. We also got some chewy chocolate chip granola bars, and we got the chewy dip chocolate chip ones. We got the Nature Valley double chocolate and the Nature Valley s'mores. We also got some honey buns. We got a 6-pack of the Mott's apple juice and a 6-pack of the Ocean Spray white cranberry strawberry. And then I got the Tropical Punch body armor. And then we also, for non-food items, we have the jumbo cotton balls. And I have 2 of the Batiste dry shampoo. I like this, and Courtney. Got some more of my heartburn pills. I needed body wash. Peyton needed some shampoo and conditioner. And she also got a new razor. And I've seen people using this Clorox tub and tile scrubber. And I thought I would give it a try. And I've seen where you can change it out. And you can put this brush on it, and you can also wrap the Clorox wipes over it. So I thought it would be kind of cool to use. I got some of the sweet onions and a 5-pound bag of russet potatoes, 1 bell pepper. Peyton wanted to try this sweet chili flavor stir fry noodles. We got some heavy whipping cream, actually, I did not even need that. I don't know why I bought it. I have a brand new Coffee Mate now that I looked over there that we haven't opened. But I ended up getting that. 2 cold brew of the vanilla sweet cream by Starbucks. And some milk. And yeah, I was doing dishes. And now over here on this side, we have some more stuff. So we'll start down here. We got some chocolate frosted donuts. And then my favorite is the cinnamon sugar. We got some of the classic, just chocolate chip cookies, a great value. I like these. I think they're really good. Toaster strudels, the cream cheese and strawberry, yum. Some more buttermilk ranch. And then we got a 12-pack of the individual packages of the Chips Ahoy cookies. And the kids have been, well, they really wanted 2 boxes of the hazelnut spread, the chocolate flavored hazelnut spread. I'm guessing this is really popular because there's only 1 box left. So then we also got the peanut butter and strawberry jam one. And we were out of sour cream, so we got that. And I went ahead and got some stick butter. I got 2 cans of the light kidney beans, the light red, and then 2 cans of Great Northern beans. We got some pepperonis. And I like to have these chicken fries in the house. They're good for like a quick, easy lunch to throw together. And I also like to have these beef, bean, and cheese chimichangas. We like to fry these in a fryer. Really good. I went ahead and got some more cheddar cheese. Adrian requested the Yo Crunch, the vanilla and M&M yogurt. Y'all, I saw these frosted mini wheats pumpkin pie spice. I'm going to try those. Those sounded good. I got a cherry Coke. And Peyton wanted some of these little O-Snap Dilly Bots. Got some ground cumin. And then Adrian saw these and was like, Mom, I remember when I used to drink these. So he got the blue one, a red one, and an orange one. We also got some of the sausage, egg, and cheese croissant sandwiches. Some oatmeal cream pies. Also got one of the Jimmy Dean meat lover breakfast bowls. Peyton wanted this Arizona green tea. Got another jar of Prego. Frappuccino, the vanilla. I needed more vegetable oil. And the girls have been liking these things, so we got a strawberry vanilla, root beer, and I'm not quite sure what the Ridge Rush is. And some paper towels. So that is all of what we got. It doesn't seem like a lot now that I set it out over here. So, yeah. So, yeah, $200 and something worth of stuff. But we did get some things that probably cost a little more, like when you start buying the personal items and stuff, that gets to be a little more expensive in the cleaning products. But, yep, there it is. So thank y'all so much for watching, and I hope to see y'all on Friday with a new What's for Dinner video. But let me know down below if you like these type of videos. Give me a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button so that you can keep up with everything. You can be a part of my YouTube family. And I'm trying my best to make more videos, and so I have a lot of ideas of things to come. So I'll see y'all later. Bye.